In this video, I will show you how to find and copy secret recovery phrase on Phantom Wallet. So what you're going to do is, from your home screen, you're going to click on your account at the top left. And here you're going to click on the settings icon at the top right. Right now we're going to click on security and privacy. At the bottom we click on show recovery phrase. And under recovery phrase 1 we see show to accounts. Click on this. And now you can select the account that you want to see the recovery phrase for. So let's say I want it for account 1, and I'm going to click on account 1. And right now we see this message to keep our recovery phrase secret. And you need to click this checkbox at the bottom in order to continue. And right now when you click on continue, you will immediately see your recovery phrase. And please be sure that you copy this somewhere in a locked note or something. You can access the copy button and then paste it in somewhere. And please be sure that you keep this secret at all costs, because anyone who has access to this recovery phrase can log into your account, so it's really sensitive. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.